One other thing while I'm here in the garage that I could talk about is when I had the garage, the carriage house properly wired for electricity, I put in a 60 amp outlet, which is, it's actually a North American standard that you don't see hardly anywhere, so the actual outlet was way overpriced. But the positive aspect of this was Tesla doesn't sell this charger with a cord, I mean a plug-in cord. They expect you to have an electrician wire it, hardwire. So rather than doing that, since I plan on moving, I installed the 60 amp outlet, and 60 amp rather than 50 because it provides the full 48 amps that the Tesla Model 3 can use when it's charging. I mean, the Model S can take like different ones take up to 80 amps and stuff, and this charger can handle that. But you set the dip switches for the mount power, so a 50 amp circuit doesn't provide the maximum charging speed or power that the Model 3 can take. At any rate, I did everything legal. It was inspected by the city and everything, and that's what the socket looks like. And this is the plug. Oh, if I can turn that. It's kind of like the 1440 or 1450 rather, except this neutral is turned sideways. So what that does for me anyway is I wired the plug wire myself. Downside of this wire is it's not real flexible. You could probably get a thicker wire like this that's flexible, but again, I was counting pennies and went with what was available and cheapest, and wired it and set up the electricity there myself. But not the wiring from the box that the electrician did. So, but let's see. Most of this other stuff in the garage is junk, but I thought I'd take you out and show you the lawnmower, at least beginning in action. It's pretty quiet. It's kind of like instead of mowing the grass, it's sort of like vacuuming it. The way it sounds. Let's see, what else could you say about it? Oh, the city's picking up limbs. Oh, they're actually trimming our trees. That's great. I hate doing that. And hey, you're doing good. Thanks.
Oh, okay. I won't be able to see the paper now.
No.
We just trying to raise them up, man.
That's all, man.
Really appreciate it.
People been complaining about the stuff hitting in the face, so.
Yeah, I hate that.
Somebody told the NEMA, we're going to get that too now.
Okay. You're doing great.
All right.
So, one crazy thing about this lawnmower is it works the opposite of a gas one. And I always get it wrong, so if I do this wrong, maybe I'll edit it or whatever, but instead of pulling this and then pressing the button, you press the button and then pull this, and it starts up. You can see it's pretty quiet. So much for the lawn mowing demonstration.